Good morning all. Let us continue the previous session. Previously we have seen what is min term and max term, and we know what is Boolean expression and how can we write the expression. Now this is canonical or standard form. First, what is meant by canonical? We know the Boolean expression is given by y is equal to ABC plus a bar bc plus ab bar c and so on. Here every term must contain every literals, that is every variables. The variables is said to be literals. So every term, this is one term, this is one term and this is another term. So every term must contain every variables, every literals. So if the equation is like this, then it is called as, it will be in the canonical form or in the standard form. Now let us see, here we have an expression, Boolean expression y is equal to a plus b bar c. Here the literal b is missing and c is missing, and in this term a is missing. Now we have to convert this expression into canonical form or standard form. Now what we have to do is, here the term missing is b and c. So a into b plus b bar, because it is SOP. If it is POS, that is different. Plus b bar c into, here the missing term is a plus a bar. Now multiply this. ab plus a b bar plus a bar b bar c plus a b bar c. Now here again the literal c is missing. Now what we have to do? ab plus a b bar into c plus c bar plus a bar b bar c plus a b bar c. Again multiply this. So we will get abc plus a b bar c bar plus a bar b bar c plus a b bar c. Now we can say that this expression is in the canonical form or it is in the standard form, because every term contains every literals. Or we can also write this as, we know since it is SOP and it is expressed as 1, a represents 1 and a bar represents 0. So 1 1 1 plus 1 0 0 plus 0 0 1 plus 1 0 1. So y is equal to summation m. So if it is min term, we have to represent summation or small m. Now what is the equivalent decimal number for this? 7, comma, because by using 1, 2, 4, 8 code, and here we have only 3 bits. So 1 1 1 represents 7. This we know very well. And here 1 0 0 represents 4 and 0 0 0 1 represents 1 and this represents 5. So y is equal to summation m 7415. This is the equivalent number for this expression. So this is called as canonical SOP. This SOP is sum of products. Next, canonical POS, that is canonical product of sum. Here we have y is equal to a plus b bar into a plus c. Now what we have to do is a plus b bar plus c bar, because it is product of sum. So we have to multiply this with the missing literal. Here the missing literal is a plus c plus b bar. Now we can expand this as a plus b bar plus c into a plus b bar plus c bar. Now expand this a plus c plus b into a plus b bar plus c. So we can write this as, now change this, a plus b bar plus c into a plus b bar plus c bar into a plus b plus c into a plus b bar plus c. Now every term contains every literals. This is called as canonical POS term. How can we represent this in the decimal form? We know here a represents 0 plus b bar represents 1 plus 0, and here it is 0 plus 1 plus 1. And here it is 0, 0, 0. And here it is 0 plus 1 plus 0. Now what is the equivalent term? And this should be represented by pi capital M. Here pi represents product of sum. Summation represents sum of product, that is SOP. Now what is the equivalent decimal for this? This is 2, 3, 0, here it is 2. Isn't it? Here also we have a plus b bar c, and here also we have a plus b bar c. So if we have the repeated terms, then we can strike one term and we can write the final expression as a plus b bar plus c into a plus b bar plus c bar to a plus b plus c. So we have 2, 3, 0. So this is repeated term. Therefore, this is the canonical expression for the POS for this given expression. Now we know how to write this canonical SOP and canonical POS. Now let us go to the minimization using Karnaugh map. So before going to the minimization using Karnaugh map, you must know the grouping rules. So what we have to do is, if we have only two variables, what is the two variable? Let us consider A, B are the two variables. So if it is two variables, the possible combinations are 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. So we have only such possible combinations. Either we can combine 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. So the equivalent decimal for this is 0, 1, 2 and 3. So if it is two variable, we must use K-map like this, because we have only two variable A, B. So either we will have 0 or 1. So 0, 0 represents 0 here. 0, 1 represents 1. 1, 0 represents 2. 1, 1 represents 3. So this is two variable K-map. This is three variable K-map. Why? How we are saying that this is three variable and this is two variable? Because if it is two variable, the number starts from 0 and ends in 3. Because after this we cannot combine the zeros and ones. And if it is three variable, the number starts from 0, 0, 0 to 1, 1, 1. So what is the equivalent decimal for this is 7, and equivalent decimal for this is 0. So 0 to 7. Here we have values from 1 to 7. So from this we can understand this is a three variable. And here in the question we have y is equal to a, b, c, that is three variable. And here they have mentioned summation. So we can understand that this is sum of product, or we can say this as min term. And here we have three variables. One is A, another one is B, C. And for A, either we can use 0 or 1. For B, C, what are the combinations possible? 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. Now, you will get a doubt. Why we are writing 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0 and 1, 1. Instead of this, why don't we write this as 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. The reason is this follows gray code. Already we studied about this gray code conversion. I guess that you would remember this. Now listen, this is the gray code combinations, isn't it? Here we have 0, 0, 0, 0. After this 0, 0, 0, 1. Now compare these two. We have only one bit changes here. So here 0 is changed to 1. Now compare these two, we have only one change, one bit change. 1 changes to 0, then the rest remaining will be the same combination. Now compare this to 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, and here 0 changes to 1. Likewise, we have only single bit changes. So for that purpose, we are using gray code in the K-map. Now 0, 0, 0 represents 0. 0, 0, 1 is 1. 0, 1, 1 is 3. 0, 1, 0 is 2. And this 1, 0, 0 is 4. 1, 0, 1 is 5. This is 7, 6. So while writing K-map, we must use only this type of format. A, B, C, three variables. How we are saying this as three variable? Because the number ends with 7. If this extends 8, 9, 10, then that will become 4 variable K-map. Now, what are the numbers present here? 1. Where we are having 1? Here. So put 1 here. Then 3. Then 5. Then 7. Then the remaining will be 0. Now what we have to do is, we have to form grouping. So how can we group in K-map? Either we can group 2 ones or 4 ones or 8 ones. or 16 ones. Apart from this, we cannot group 6, 7, 3 and so on. Now we have 4 ones here. We have to group this like this. They have formed as pair. This is called as grouping of K-map. Now write the expressions to this grouping. Now listen, if it is Boolean expression, what we have to do is the expression will be A bar, this is B bar C bar, this is B bar C, this is BC, and here it is B C bar. If it is Boolean expression, we will get for this one A bar B bar C. So A bar B bar C plus A bar B C, A bar B C plus for this A B bar C plus for this A B C. After this we have to minimize this expression, isn't it? But in K-map we can write the answer directly. How can we write the answer directly? Just listen. Here we have A bar A. So as per rules, this A bar gets cancelled. So we don't get this A or A bar here. Now compare this to 0 and 1 will get cancelled. That is B bar. B into B bar will be equal to 0. So finally you will get the answer as C. Therefore, y of A, B, C is equal to answer is C. This is the minimized expression for this K-map. Next, let us see the second problem. Again we have A, B, C here. So what is the variable? Check the variable. If we have x, y, z, then we must use the x, y, z. In the question they have mentioned A, B, C. So that we are using here A, B, C. So 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. So always you'll get confusion with this 1, 1 and 1, 0. If you change this 1, 0 and 1, 1, then the entire problem will become wrong. So you should not change this. Now write the numbers. Here it is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now substitute 1 for this numbers. Here we have 1, here we have 1, here we have 1. Then the remaining will become 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. So we have to group number of ones. Listen, either we can pair like this. While grouping, either we can pair 4 like this, or if we have 4 here, we can pair 4 here. Or if we have 4 here, we can pair 4 here. If we have only 2 ones here, then we can group this 2 ones. If we have 2 ones, we can group. If we have 2 ones, we can group. And 2, 2, 2, 2, we can group. If we have 2 ones here and in the 2 ones here, then we can pair these corners. Can you understand? Here we have 1, 1. So what will be the answer for this? Listen, A bar will cancel. Here we have only B bar, C bar. So the answer for this is B bar, C bar. Now here we have only 1, 1. Isn't it? Now here we have only 1, 1. We cannot pair with this 0. Now what we can do is we can group this 2 corners. We can group these 2 corners. We can group these 2 corners. And we can group this 4. But diagonal is not possible. You cannot group this one with this one, as well as we cannot group this one with this one. Now we can group these 2 corners. Now what will be the answer for this? Here we have A bar. Now compare these two. Here we have B, C bar. Here we have B bar and here we have B. B into B bar will get cancelled. So that we have answer as A bar, C bar. So finally the answer for this is y of A, B, C is equal to A bar, C bar plus B bar, C bar. Or we can write this as take C bar as common, A bar plus B bar. This is the simplified expression for this second question. Let us move on to the next question. If we get question like this, that is y of A, B, C is equal to summation m 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Again here we have A, B, C. So 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. Now write 0, 1, 3, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now what we have to do is Here every numbers are present, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now form this as group. If we get all numbers, then the answer will be equal to 1. Therefore the answer for this is y of a, b, c is equal to 1. So like this we have to group in K-map for 3 variables. Now for 4 variables, what we have to do? Here we have 4 variables. One is B, C, D. So again use this gray code 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. Here also we have to follow the same thing, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. Now write the numbers. 0, 0, 0, 0 will be 0, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3. Here we have 4, 5, 6, 7. Now listen, 1, 1, 0, 0 will be equal to 12. So here we have changed the numbers again. Here also we have changed the numbers. So that you will get 8 here. 1, 0, 0, 0. 1, 0, 0, 1 will be 9. 1, 0, 1, 1 will be, here we will get 10. So 11. This is 12, 13, 14, 15. You can cross verify the numbers. 1, 1, 1, 1 is 15. 1, 0, 0, 1 is 9. 1, 0, 1, 1 is 11. 1, 0, 1, 0 is 10. So we have to write like this. So we have written the numbers. What is the next step? Now substitute 1 for these numbers which is present in the question. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 4, 5, 6, 7. 11, 13, 14. 11, 13, 14. Now listen, what we have to do is grouping. We can group this 8. So already I said we can group 2, 4, 8 and so on. But we cannot group 3, 5, 6, 7 and so on. Now what will be the answer for this? Right? This is A bar, B bar. This is A bar, B. Here we have C bar, D bar. C bar, D. C, D. C, D bar. Now listen. If you get 4 like this everything gets cancelled. See here, C bar C cancels, D bar D cancels, C bar C cancels and D bar cancels. So here we don't get any literals, any variables. But here we have A bar B bar, A bar B. This B bar gets cancelled, so that the answer for this is A bar. For this group, for this entire group, the answer will be A bar. Next, second group. So how can we form the second group? Listen, here we have 1, 1 and here we have 1, 1. So form this as group. This is your second group. Now compare these two. Here we have AB and here we have CD bar. Now compare these two. A bar gets cancelled, so that we have only B here. Here we have C, D bar, because we have not grouped with other boxes, adjacent boxes. So we'll have C, D bar here and B here. This is your second group. Next, third group. Listen, we have 1, 1 here. So here we have 1, 1. Now compare these two again. A bar gets cancelled. The answer is B. And here we have C bar, D. This is the answer for this group. Next, observe. Here we have 1, 1. And here we have 1, 1. So we can group like this. Already I said we can group. If we have one more 1 here, then you can group this 2 and this 2. But if you have one more 1 here, 3, you should not group 3, 3. But if you have 4 1s and here 4 1, then you can group like this. Now what is the answer for this group? Now compare this two. Here we have A, B bar. And here we have A bar, B bar. So A bar gets cancelled. So here we have B bar. Then what is the answer here? C, D. Therefore, final expression y of A, B, C, D, which is equal to, what is the answer? A bar plus B, C, D bar plus B bar, C, D plus B, C bar, D. This is the final answer for this expression. So this is 4 variable K-map. Hope you would have understood. Then let us move on to the next. Here we have y is equal to ABCD, which is equal to AB plus C, B bar plus C. Is it possible to solve this by using K-map? It is not possible, because this is not in the canonical form or it is not in the standard form. Now what we have to do is, what is the missing literals here? AB. What is the missing literals here? C and D. So what we have to do is AB into, here we have C plus C bar missing letter. Then here we have A plus A bar into C B bar plus C into A plus A bar. First we will multiply this, so that here we get ABC plus ABC bar plus AB bar C plus A bar B bar C plus AC plus A bar C. Now what we have to do? Multiply D with this. So ABCD plus ABCD bar plus ABC bar D plus ABC bar D bar. So this is over. Now multiply D with this again. A B bar C D bar plus A B bar C D plus, now multiply with this, A bar B bar C D bar plus A bar B bar C D plus, now multiply B plus B bar with this, A B bar C plus A B C plus A bar B bar C plus A bar B C. Again here we have A B C D plus A B C D bar plus A B C bar D plus A B C bar D bar plus A B bar C D bar plus A B bar C D plus A bar B bar C D bar plus A bar B bar C D plus A B bar C. Now multiply D plus D bar with this. So D bar plus A B bar C D plus A B C D bar plus A B C D plus A bar B bar C D bar plus A bar B bar C D plus A bar B C D bar plus A bar B C D and so on. So now we will get this complete canonical or standard SOP, that is standard minterm. Now what we have to do? We have to write the numbers to this. Here we 1111, so which is equal to summation M 15 comma, and what is this number? 1110, that is 13 comma, here it is 1101. What is this 1101? 13. See here 11, this is 14, 14, 13, 15, 14, 13, next 12, next 1010, 10, next 1011, 11, next 0010, 2, next 0011, 3, next 1010, 10, next 1011, 11, next 1110, 13, next 15, next 2, next 3, next 7, next 7. Now see the repeated terms here. We can cancel the repeated terms, so which is equal to summation M 2, 3, 7, 10, 11, then 13, 14, 15. So this is the final answer to which we have to find the K-map. Now write A, B, C, D. Again we know how to write 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. So 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. Now write the numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Now write the numbers 237, 237. Where is it? 10, 11, 13, 14, 15. So this is the number. Now we have to find the K-map for this. Listen, we can form this 4 as one group. Now what happens? This everything will get cancelled, so that here we have CD. Then you can form this 2 and this 2 as one group. Now compare these two. This is A, B bar. Here we have A bar, B bar. This is CD, this is CD bar. Now compare these two. That is A bar gets cancelled, so that here we have B bar. Now compare these two. D bar gets cancelled. We have answer C. Now here we have 1, 1. Isn't it? Here we have 1, 1 alone. Now form this 4 as one group. If you form this 4 as one group, the answer will be, here we have AB. B bar gets cancelled, so here we have A. Here D bar gets cancelled, answer is C. And here 1, 1 is left alone. Now group this 1, 1 with this. Now what is the answer for this? AB. Here we have AB. Now compare this to C bar D. C bar gets cancelled, so that the answer is D. Therefore, Y of A, B, C, D is equal to, what is the answer? AC plus B bar C plus CD plus ABD. So this is how we have to do minimization technique using K-map. Hope you understood. If you like this, share and subscribe. Let us see soon in the next video. Thank you.